Good morning, teacher. My name is Frederic. Today I want to talk about the smell of smelling. Not the smell of smelling, sorry. So if you can take a few minutes to pay attention my presentation. Where is my, okay, there we go. So let's start. What is the sense of smelling? The smell is the sense by which people take in the scents of their nose or act of sensing. Olfaction occurs when odorants blend to specific sites on olfactory receptor located in the cavity nasal. Glomeruli aggregate signal from this receptor and transmit them to the olfactory bulb where the sensory input will start to interact with parts of the brain responsible for smells, identification, memory, and emotion. As you can see here, number one, we have olfactory bulbs. Number two, we have mitral cells. Number three, we have bone. Number four, we have nasal epithelium. Number five, we have glomerulus. And the last one, number six, we have olfactory receptor neurons. Okay, next, how does the smell sense work? Our ability to smell comes from specialized sensory cells called olfactory sensory neurons, which are found in the small patch of tissue inside the nose. These cells connect directly to the brain. Once the neurons dictate the molecule, they send message to our brain, which identifies the smell. So we can pass. Okay, the relationship between smell and taste. First, everyone knows the smell is the first sense that comes to us and allows us to imagine the taste. The two are complementary. We can have smell without taste, and we can have taste without smell. It's very complementary. It's very similar. So the taste buds detect testants and membrane along the roof of nose detects odorants. The sensory cells along this membrane send the message olfactory bulb, which then combines that information with information from taste buds to create the perception of flavor. As you can see here, we have the relationship with smell and taste. We have a smell signal from the nose. With this, we can perceive the flavor in the brain, and with the signal taste from the tongue, also we can perceive the flavor in the brain. So, So, what disease affect the sense of smell? Smell disorders have many causes, some clearer than others. Most people who develop a smell disorder have recently experienced illness such as upper respiratory infection, injury, polyps in the nasal cavities, sinus infection, hormonal disturbance, dental problems, anosmia, ageusia, hyposmia, and hypogeusia. So, anosmia is the loss of the smell, the sense smell. Ageusia is the loss of the sense of taste. Hyposmia is reduced ability to smell, and hypogeusia is reduced ability to taste sweet, sour, bitter, or salty things. So the treatments. There is no specific treatment for the smell disorders. If the cause is due if the cause is due to the medication, adjusting or changing the drugs may relieve symptoms. If an underlying illness causes smell disorders, when that illness resolves or is treated, the sense of smell usually returns. Surgery can remove nasal polyps. So we don't have specific treatment for all disorders or smell disorders, but for asthma we have some specific treatment. We can use decongestion. We can use antihistamine. We can use steroid nasal, and we can use antibiotic for bacterial infection. So that's it. Thank you for listening my presentation. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, teacher.